Okay, so now that I got the drone active, I'm going to see if I can now unbind this drone. Okay, Mavic 3 Pro, and remove device from account. What does this unbinding my device do to an account? Binding an aircraft with an account means the account has ownership of the aircraft. Changing the binding account transfers ownership of the device to a new account. If the current account is not in use, it is in blah 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 blah. Yak yak yak. Okay, fine. Unbind. Device successfully unbound. All right. Okay. 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 Let's see. Can I go fly still? I can still see. Okay. Let's see. Does the drone have new firmware? You know, it doesn't even matter because it's not going to be mine anymore. I got to get rid of it.